Yeah, sure.
Congratulations, Chetan, on clearing your
Yeah,
PMP with five above target. That's an awesome achievement. You did it. You did the unbelievable. So, how are you feeling?
thank you, thank you. I'm feeling top of the world right now because I had prepared a lot for this.
Okay.
I did not had a good experience before because obviously because of the COVID situation going right now, and I had to take the online proctored exam, and my experience with the online proctored exam was not so good. So the first time the proctor created an issue for me where like I was just adjusting my seat and unknowingly I went out of the webcam view and he
Okay.
treated that as the non-violation of the guidelines and he revoked my exam. My
Oh.
exam was going really well. I had completed 150 questions and due to this I could not clear it. And I got the result. Within 150 questions itself, I had reached three above target, and
Oh.
then two two were like below target, obviously because I had not even attempted. So I had to then again reach out to Pearson and let them know that it was not my issue; it's a human tendency, and they need to take care of that also because for 4 hours nobody can sit for like constantly in one position. They will adjust their seat. They will
I
at
I
least
have
try to.
I have changed the position
Yeah,
in last 2 minutes three times.
exactly, that's what I was about to say. So this
Yeah.
is what this is a human tendency that I know they are the guidelines, but still you have to consider the psychological behaviors that every human being does. And I have a tendency like how you are keeping hands on your mouth. I have a tendency to do the same when I think. Even that's not in the guidelines. They tell not to keep the hands on the face or on the mouth. Even the proctor was constantly nagging me not to do that. So I tried to avoid it, but it's something that comes from birth, and you can't avoid it.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
That's so true, Chetan.
yeah,
Okay, go on.
yeah. So that's what happened, and then the second attempt again, due to some issues, again due to, so they considered my first attempt. The Pearson apologized for that, and then they gave me the voucher
Oh, good,
to
good,
attempt
good.
for the second one. Yeah, I did not have to pay again.
Yeah, that's the good thing. At
But
least
again,
something positive. Something positive.
something positive. I was like, okay, fine. Since I was prepared well, so within 1 week I rescheduled the exam, and this happened in October. And that time, again, due to my bad luck, there was internet connectivity issues. There were power shutdown issues. There are a lot of things that happened, and then again, I could not clear that also. So again, I reached out to PMI that time to tell them that they invalidate my first attempt because if I did not do that, then the attempt that I was giving now would be my last attempt. And if I fail this, then I cannot re-attempt for 1 year, which I do not wanted to do. So again, I reached out to PMI. The PMI was kind enough to invalidate my first attempt because of the issue with me and Pearson. So they did that, and apart from that, as a token of apology, they also sent me a voucher to attempt
Lucky,
again. So I
lucky
did not.
guy,
Yeah,
lucky guy, lucky guy. Okay, good, good.
yeah.
And
So that was a good thing. So then I took a break. So that was a good break actually because I took around 1.5 month break.
that's good thing. That's a good
Now
thing.
yeah I took a break and I like I had taken classes from Simply Learn.
Okay.
That was pretty good classes, but I still felt that maybe I'm lacking somewhere. I need to brush up my things. That's when uh, I just went through forums and I understood that Rita is the book to refer. There were many people who told even if you don't read Pimbok, it's okay, but read Rita. So that's when I got a from file shared. I got a free soft
Yeah, I
copy of Rita.
understand. I
I just
understand.
yeah, I just downloaded it
I know,
and
I know, I know. Yeah, most of the people
yeah,
in like Indo Park, they cannot buy. Let's put it this.
yeah,
First thing we cannot
yeah.
buy. Secondly, it is not available in the market.
Yeah, because it's not. I tried actually. I tried to book in Flipkart, Amazon. The latest edition of Rita Ninth is not at all available.
Yeah, yeah.
It's eighth
They,
edition, which is based on Pimbok 5.
even if
So
you
the
get
only
in
thing
the
I could do is I even went ahead and tried to order it from eBay US. Even there it was not available. So that was the only option that I had left. So then I took it. I read it. I read it. I completed the book in like 3 weeks. Rita is a very important book. I suggest every PMP aspirant to go through Rita, even if they read Pimbok or not read Pimbok, even if they take any class or not take class any class, but read Rita. Rita is the Bible because the way they have explained in Rita, it's as if Rita herself is sitting in front of you and explaining you. That's the vocabulary and that's the explanation that they have given in Rita. So
okay,
it
Chetan,
was very good
I
actually.
would
Yeah,
like basically negate here something. Why? Because
yeah,
a lot of people are going to watch your video, and I really loved Rita. I really loved. Let me
yeah,
put it this way: I really loved the Rita book, and the explanation it is give is magnificent. But
yeah,
but there is but. First, your
yeah,
English has to be extremely good. Number
yeah, yeah. That's of course. Yeah, yeah,
number one, English has to be extremely good. Number two, you need to have a
yeah,
lot of time with you. With 14 or
yeah,
15 days left with PMP, all the aspirants don't touch Rita.
yeah,
Maybe,
yeah, yeah,
yeah, maybe if you want to
yeah, yeah,
grasp your concept after preparing, that I recommend. After clearing the
yeah.
PMP exam, must read Rita. Especially the next edition of Rita is Rita has already arrived. 10th edition for new exam
10th
content
edition.
outline. I'm also going
Yeah,
to buy
yeah,
that. I'm going to buy that myself.
yeah, yeah,
I'm going
yeah,
to
yeah. Rita
like
is a good thing
yeah.
because, uh, as I said, I had already confidence that I could clear because, as I said, within 150 I had
Makes
got
sense.
three
Makes
above
sense.
target. So I thought I am always there. But I just wanted to make sure that my concepts are there up to the mark so that I can
Rita is
even use
excellent.
those concepts in my day to day project management works.
True,
So
true, true,
Rita was
true.
very good.
True. Rita is an
And then
excellent. Yeah.
yeah, and then I also bought the Prepcast exam simulator. Even that was excellent. The way they have explained, like whenever I used to take a simulator exam, and then when I started reviewing my wrong answers, the way they explained why the option I have selected is wrong, and what should be the sequence of steps that a project manager should take, and why he should take, and why it is the right answer. The way they have explained is simply superb. That clears a lot of doubts and clears a lot of concepts.
True.
So Rita and Prepcast, if like spare 1 or 2 months of time ahead, even if like they are aspiring to give in 2021, Rita uh, and Prepcast, and also I would like to recommend the change management flowchart that you had explained the other day. That was also superb.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. The
Yeah.
important thing that I will add here that what he has said is 100% right if you have 2 months with yourself. For students,
Yes. Yes.
those who are appearing in like in 15 days, the recommendation is do prepcast number 4 and do prepcast number
Yeah.
7. And these are very
Yeah.
important. What is your experience about that? Which prepcast exam was more near to real exam?
I don't remember which Prepcast because I took all seven of them. I took all
What was
seven
your
of them.
result in prepcast 1 to 7?
In the Prepcast, it was between 74 to 80.
Good, good, good. That's a good result.
Consistently, I was scoring 73, 74.
Mm.
I never scored above 80. But I think in my final exam, I mean, the exam which I took today, I took more than 80 because the questions I felt were far easier in the real exam than it was there in Prepcast.
Okay. Now, important question.
Yeah.
Chetan, third time you gave exam in home or in center?
Even third time, I had to give in home.
So I would say you're a risk seeker, man. You're a risk seeker.
Because I don't had any other option, Amir sir.
Where are
If
you
I had to
basically?
take,
Where are you?
I'm based out of due to COVID, I'm in my hometown. If I had to take exam, I had to go to Bangalore. Like I actually work in Bangalore, but I'm
Mhm.
in hometown from past like 8 9 months due to
Makes sense.
COVID
Makes sense.
situation, and I have a
Makes sense.
small kid at home. I cannot risk
Understand. No,
going
no, no.
out.
Never. The
So
PMP is not
yeah,
that important that you risk your kid's
done
life.
life.
Actually, nothing is
Yeah,
that important that you risk
input.
your
Yeah.
kid's life.
So
Okay.
and I had to take this. I had to complete this milestone.
Mhm.
So what I took some extra precautions this time. I invested some money for getting the inverter set up at my home so that there is no power outage, and I had a backup internet connection so that even if my main internet connection fails, it automatically switches to the backup internet connection. When I had all the backups ready, nothing happened. There was no power outage. There was no internet outage. All went
You
well.
see, things happen, and these are like as a responsible project manager, this is a lessons learned. That's why I'm recording these
Yep.
videos. If you see, today is
Yep. Yep.
16, maybe no new students will be coming to us, but the biggest reason for this is lesson learned for every student. I know my two of
Yeah.
my
Yeah.
students have exam tomorrow, and a lot of students have in this
Yeah.
week. Once they watch the
Yeah.
video, they will have something to learn, something to implement.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like one of my students is also from India, but he is in Oman. He is also giving exam on Monday. So it's a lesson learned from him. Already I have given the list
Yeah.
of checklist. A checklist,
Yeah. Yeah.
this. You need to check. He has already checked everything and make sure. But still, things happen and it's a
Yeah.
good thing to learn about
Yeah.
lesson.
Yeah. Yeah.
So let's go directly to
Yeah.
exam. How many questions about change
Yeah.
request?
How many questions about change request? I would say 30 to 40 questions about
30 to
change request.
40. Okay. Makes sense.
Yeah,
Makes sense.
30 to
Uh,
35 you can say. Yeah.
okay. How many questions about other topics like communication and stakeholder?
Mm, I can't recall though, but what I could say is around 20 to 25.
Okay. 20 to 25 questions about communication and stakeholder. What about risk?
Yeah, there were many questions. Actually, there were many questions on risk and issues and differentiating them. That
Let's
was a tricky part.
let's put it here right now for all the students. How did you differentiate?
So it's simple, right? Which has already happened is issue, which can happen in future is risk.
Okay. So can I add my sentence here? This the if when you are doing the question, if the word is could there, could,
Yeah,
this means
yeah,
it's a risk. Has,
yes, that's correct.
it means
Yes,
issue.
issue,
So
issue.
look for
Yes,
could or has. That is the one of the
yeah,
best way. So that's a good thing.
yeah.
Apart from that, what about quality and resource tools? I'm getting a lot of information that we are getting quality and resource tools. So what about them?
Uh, Quality and resource tool. Not many actually.
Not many. Okay.
Not
How
many.
about
There
play?
were a lot of questions on agile.
You are a software engineer.
Yeah,
So I figured that. So I think it does not matter to
yeah,
you. Okay. Once again, for every people who is watching, for Agile, I highly recommend 30 questions of TriDip.
yeah,
There are 30 questions of TriDip, or I have a video. I will link it with it. My Agile video of like 5 minutes. If you can understand it, you can solve all the Agile questions. You can solve all
yeah,
the Agile questions. Okay. Any other thing that student must understand? Oh, very important. Critical path and earned value.
yeah. There were 5 to 8 questions on that as well. There were
What
numerical
What the difficult or
problems
easy
as
question?
well. Most of them were easy. One or two were like bit tricky,
Let's put
where
it
there were like
not
multiple
easy for you,
critical paths.
easy for general public.
Yeah, yeah. General public itself.
Okay. Anything else you would like to add for the people who are appearing exam in next 15 days? How they should prepare?
Uh, I would say just go through. Just have a basic understanding of how project manage. So yeah, in 15 days, I would say uh, identify all the processes, the 49 processes. Identify how they interact with each other. Identify what are the tools and techniques and outputs and inputs in each process, and you should be good
Okay.
because
So
that's the main catch, right?
let me rephrase what just Chetan said. Understand flow of 49 processes. Understand
Yeah,
flow of 49 processes. Okay. Understand output of all the processes. Understand tools and technique. Understand tools and techniques. Many students, Chetan, have requested that I have not much videos on tools and technique. Already I have on stakeholder resource, but today my team has requested me to make 1 minute video of each tool and technique. So with this video, hopefully I'm telling everyone I'm going to make that. So I will say that with the advice of Chetan, follow also those 132 videos, follow flow of processes, follow change management, work performance data, deliverable journey, and you are clear to go to exam. What do you say?
yeah. One more thing I would like to add is also understand if a change happens in any one of the process, how it affects the other processes. Identify that as well because that's the important aspects.
Okay,
Like if a change is triggered on one of the process, how it impacts the other process, other management plans, other techniques, other tools. You need to understand that as well.
can you give example how it affects since you have highlighted
Like
it?
yeah, like say for example, I would say like say there is a quality issue, right? That affects the corrective action, that affects the perform like he needs to go through the perform change integrated change control process. That can affect a stakeholder communication engagement if during that control integration process one of the stakeholder is resistive or supportive. That can support the stakeholder engagement process. If like there can be multiple scenarios, again as we
I
all
can
know PMP is all
as
about the
Chetan,
scenario based questions.
Chetan, can I say it like this way? understand the flow and interlinked of how each process is connected.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, that's
Okay.
correct.
Okay. That's good. Thank you, Chetan, for your time. Any last thing you would like to add
Yeah.
here?
Not really. Just make sure that for especially for people who are taking exam at home, remember there's a 10 minutes break between 80 to 85 questions. After 80 to 85 questions, there'll be 10 minutes break. And before that break, whatever questions you have solved, first 85 questions, you can't review again.
Is it
So those
85 or
85 questions
89?
are
Is it 85 or 89?
85 to 90, somewhere around
89.
that.
No, no, no. Let me put it again for
Yeah.
everyone. It is same for center base as well as in home. Now it is also in the
Home
center.
base. Yes, correct.
Okay, home base
Yeah,
as
it's
well
also
as
in the center.
center.
Yeah.
After 89 question, you will not be able to see the first 89 question. So it is like
Yeah.
it's your choice. You want to continue to question number 90 or you want to take a break. So I recommend,
Break.
and I think Chetan also
Taking a
recommend,
break.
take a break.
Taking a break.
Go
Yeah.
have a drink of water, maybe tea, have a chocolate, and take a break. So
Yeah.
after 89 question, remember you cannot review question number 1 to 89. Consider it as the
Yeah.
exam in two part. Part 1, 1 to 89. Part 2,
Part two.
90 to
Yeah.
100 question. Okay. Thank you,
Yeah.
Chetan.
Don't consider PMP as a 4 hours exam. Consider it as a part one, 2 hours exam, and part two, 2 hours exam. That's it.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Chetan. And I really have to say that you gave the time at this hour. Thank you very much. And you have shared the lesson and you're a lucky guy. Then, and I hope that you have suffered a lot. Now I could say you have worked a lot. You have you
Yeah.
have shown real persistence of of a champion. PMP, welcome to the world of champions, and we wish you best of luck for the future. And I hope whatever reason you did PMP, you can implement that. Thank you, Chetan. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thanks, Amir. Thank you.
Assalam.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye.